Damn, they tripping, man. Y'all know who that is. Pray for them boys.
Not sure what happened here, but I wonder if I could buy this thing. That'd be sick. Got my brand new 2020 C8 bumper. This color's so sick, bro. This is like the...
I thought it was white.
Bro, I thought it was white too. It's not white. It's like the gray. It's like the off-white. Pitching pennies my whole life for this moment to buy a wrecked car, but we're gonna make it brand new. I don't know how, but we're gonna do it. So check this. Yo, Rodwave's hat. This is a famous rapper's car.
I don't know who it was.
Famous rapper's hat too. Yeah, slight fender bender. Nothing, you know, your boy can't fix. Hey, how's the engine look up there? Dude, you didn't even get the engine. Oh, they didn't give me the engine? I got screwed. That's it, 100%. Look at, there's the palmettos and there's the button right there. Bro, it had to have been right here. Oh, bro, yeah, look at this chip. Whoa, whoa, look at. I found the fiberglass.
Yeah. Seen the car and I said, nah, that ain't the same car that was on the pole.
Yeah, I just bought it, yeah. This is my dream car. I couldn't buy it new, so I bought it like this. And
shit, but yeah,
look, there's another piece.
Yeah, so what, you about to fix it?
Yeah, I'm about to fix it, make it like brand new again. My 2020 C8, baby. It needs a little love, but you know, we out here. I'm gonna flex on the gram, but I'm just not gonna show them the front end. I'm gonna be like, yo, new C8. You know the vibes? That's the airbag module that I was looking for. I think there's only one. This is why we just pulled the whole dash, to get this little module out, and now I can send this out to my boys at Safety Restore, send these seatbelts out, and then we put the whole interior back together. Easy, right? This is all to get the airbag light to turn off, because if I didn't do this, the airbag light would have stayed on. Thanks for all the help, Matthews. You're such a... Look at Matthew, literally drinking a claw.
It's Friday night. My friend's a workaholic.
Matthews just wants a party.
I'm not getting paid. I'm not on the clock. So what do you gotta say, Judith?
You're getting fired.
I'm basically a volunteer. TikTok mechanics taught that.
Go! We need to go to the hospital.
Tetanus shot.
Suck on it. Dude, we're some freaking bosses, bro.
Dude, stop playing.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have much confidence in myself.
We got AutoZone special.
That's why you gotta believe in yourself, you know?
Shooter's Garage 1, C8 0.
She's freaking rolling on her own weight. The interior's done. Oof, we're doing big things out here. Oh, fuck.
I was hitting. This car does not slide.
This thing rips. The plan was not to rip it, but at least we know she drives now. is here. The CA reveal is here. You guys are not ready. It's been 5 long months of waiting, from Chevy screwing us on parts. You guys have been watching. It's been non-stop, endless issues, but the time is here. She's finished. Let's cut to the reveal, and here she is.
Just 1 week ago, we, you, the city, and all the communities around it were taken by a truly powerful force. We hope for good news.
We're still not entirely sure of the extent of this.
But the news only got worse.
It was the most terrifying moment any of us have ever spent in our lives.
Alright y'all, we did it. I don't know how I was gonna do it, but we got here. And it's pretty crazy, man. I mean, I said I was gonna do it. I said I didn't know how I was gonna do it. And we got this far. So I promise you this is only the beginning. And I don't know where life's gonna take us, but just know that I'm just getting started. You ain't seen nothing yet. Honestly, bro, this car was like a dream of mine. If you guys just watched this video, you guys know, like I spoke it into existence. I said that I was gonna do it and I did it. I didn't know how I was gonna fix it. It's just crazy. Like, look at this thing. Like this is insane. We're the first ones in the world to rebuild a C8, and not even a C8, rodwave C8. It's crazy, dude. It's like, I don't know, man. It's like, honestly, just wild. Every car I've ever had, I brought up to this parking garage, and it's like, it almost doesn't feel real, but it is real, and I promise you, this is only the beginning. So I always say this, if you believe in what I'm doing, and you wanna see me keep going through life, I'm gonna keep progressing. But with you guys, it's not gonna be like this. This is how my life's been. It's been slow. With you guys, it will be like this. So if you wanna support, yeah. If you guys wanna support, cop the merch. If you guys don't know, this means chase your dreams. And it's what I stand behind, and it's really what I'm doing out here. I'm chasing my dreams. I never thought I'd own this. And dude, we built this in my garage. Like, imagine in a couple years when we have a shop, and I just don't know. I have this vision for where I could be, and it's just, I don't know, dude. It's just like, the only thing standing between me and where I want to be is just the work I need to do. I know I'm going to get there by doing cool things. So we got a wide body kit we're going to do on this thing, but I don't know. All this stuff is going to cost a lot of money. So check this out. I'm giving away an Xbox. I'm giving away the PS5, but it's not here right now. I'm giving away a pair of Yeezy Boosts. And all you got to do is go shop on Judah's Garage. Every dollar spent gets you entered. And I'm selling $69 mystery box. It's $125 value. You get a hoodie, you get a t-shirt, and you get these shorts. And this stuff isn't junk. Every YouTuber sells junk. I will never sell junk. I only sell the best of the best. So if you want to support and you want to see me keep doing cool stuff, it all comes down to you guys, because I can keep doing it, but I can't keep doing stuff like this forever. Like, I just turned 22. I never thought this would have happened, but with you guys, you know, we could do it. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and chase your dreams, baby.